In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Roblox IARC content rating system. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and browse or search for a game or experience and look for the IARC rating badge on the experience page. So this is how it will generally look like. If you're wondering what it is, the IARC rating badge shows the age appropriate, and simply go ahead and tap on what is IARC if you are confused about it. As you can see, it will show you content description. You can check the content descriptors to understand what kind of content and the experience contains, and descriptors help examine the rating as well. The age rating, example 7+, 13+, 17+, shows the recommended age group and choose experiences that match your age. Parents can also manage access in settings and set content restriction to block experiences above the selected age rating. Use the rating scale to quickly decide if an experience is right for you. I hope this video clarifies